If you're organizing a house or apartment with ADHD, then I'm going to tell you 10 reasons why that you should designate different areas in that house or apartment, and it will help you make organizing easier, faster, and better. So when I'm talking about designating, what I mean is you're going to pick different places in your house or apartment where you're going to put items that are similar in nature. And that way, when you go to these different areas, you know that these items that are similar are in those different areas. And you can automatically know, hey, if I'm looking for this, I know it's in this area. For example, you have a kitchen. In your kitchen, there's all this stuff that goes within the kitchen, but you also have different things in that kitchen to where you're gonna have different areas. For example, maybe you have plates in the cabinet, and that's your place for plates. And so when you see a plate or have a plate, you know that it goes in this specific area, and you're gonna do that for different areas within your house. And the awesome thing is you're going to know where things are a lot more once you get through this. So the first thing you need to do is figure out which areas that you want to designate. So go around your house or apartment and figure out, okay, what I want to put here, what I want to put there. Okay, what is this area going to be for? Am I going to put pots, pans there? Am I going to have some other thing there? Cake pan, whatever? Or do I have other things like spices or herbs or whatever you want to put there? Where is all that stuff going to go? You want to kind of figure that out, go through and say, okay, that's going to go here, that's going to go there. Find out what areas you want to designate. Now, the other thing is you don't have to do your whole apartment and house at once. Start in a room, pick a room that you want to do, or pick an area that you want to do and start there and break it down from there. You just have to figure out which areas in the house or apartment you want to use, you want to designate. And then the next thing that you want to do is figure out, okay, what items do I want to go in these areas? What items are going to be similar? Maybe I'm in the kitchen and maybe I have all the plates up in the cabinet. That is my plate cabinet. Maybe I have all my kitchen utensils hanging up and that's my area for that. Maybe I have a little coffee station over in the corner where all my coffee stuff goes. Now you have an idea of saying, okay, if I have something that goes in this area, then I know when I go and find it, I bring it back to this area. Everything in this area that I've designated is going to be similar to the other things that I have in that area. And so now when I look at something, I can say, okay, which section does it go in? This section is for these different items. So I found this thing and now I know exactly where it goes. And when you're figuring out these different areas that you want to have these things in, you want to figure out, okay, I'm going to put this item there, but why? You want to know the why that item is there. You want to know, hey, do I need this thing in the coffee area? Do I need this thing and where the pots and the pans are? Do I need this thing in my closet? Where do these items go and why do they go there? Maybe you have a command center, right? Where you have all your phone cords and, things to write sticky notes and all that kind of stuff there. And that section right there is for communication between you and your family. So you can leave a sticky note or a message. And when you do this, it's going to save you a ton of time, because when you have things in the right area, even if they're not put away, you're just having them in the right area. So if you are looking for them, they're going to be there. Or if you pick something up, where it goes. And so it's going to save you so much time, because you don't have to go looking all around your house or apartment trying to figure out, okay, where is it? Is it here? Is it over there? I got to go look over here. Oh, hey, this goes there. I should go and put that there. You need to decide what are the main areas that you want to do and what are the sub areas in the area that you're looking at, because you're going to have a huge main area and then you might have a lot of different sub areas around that main area. So for example, you're in your room, you have everything's in your closet, you have all the things on your right side that might be things that you have just put away for spring cleaning. On the left side, you have all your clothes that you're going to use now. And then you might have another section where it's just like your bed and all your stuff on your bed is there, plus your nightstand, whatever is on your nightstand that goes there, then that stuff goes into that area. All these little sub areas, but you designated different things. This is what goes into that area. This is what this area is for. If you need to label them, however, which way you want to label them, then you should do that, because that will help you remember, okay, this goes here, that goes there. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. All my kitchen utensils are in this place. So I'm going to put a label there so I remember, okay, kitchen utensils go there, pots go here, pans go here, cereal, all the stuff goes here in this section. And so you just go through and label things so you remember, okay, I found this, where does it go? It goes right here because I have a label up there and I realize that is where it goes. So it's okay to use labels if you need them. Then you're going to start taking items that you already have and already know where they are and putting them in these different areas. You're going to move them from the area that is just not the one you designated for it and move it into the area that you have designated for. So you're going to basically declutter one area and move it to another area and at least have it to where all the items that you need are in their general areas that you have designated. And then at another time, or even right then, you can go through and start doing more organizing. But this is for just getting those items within the same general area. Now, if you come across a item that you have no idea where it goes, you're just like, I don't know where this goes. It might go over here. It might go over there. I can't find a place for it. I'm just not sure. Then you have a decision to make, right? You have a decision to make of, okay, should I go here, or should I put in this thing, or should I just get rid of it? Is it really worth me holding on to if it's not something I really need or just thought about? I'm just kind of having. So do I just go ahead and get rid of it, or do I keep it and find another area for it to fit into? But you want to have somewhere that you're going to put it in, some area that you're going to have that is going to be with even a slightly similar item. That way you at least know where it goes when you do pick it up or find it or lose it and find it again, and know that you can put it in that different area. And one of the amazing benefits that you have when you are doing this is the fact you'll get into a routine of putting things in different areas where they belong. And that is going to help you in so many ways because of the fact that now you're just kind of going to be in the motion of, oh, hey, I picked this up. Oh, I know it goes over there. I'll go ahead and take it over there. Or, oh, I picked this up. Oh, I know it goes over there. I'll go ahead and take it over there. It should be in that section. And so you'll kind of learn things throughout your house of where certain things go. And it's going to be easier to remember where they are. It's going to be easier to make sure that you're not losing them. It's going to save you a bunch of time because now you have an idea of the whole layout and everything goes which way, and things you don't really need to look for in different areas because they probably are not there. And that's going to give you a super advantage for ADHD when organized because you're going to know where things are more often. Now, this is not the only video that I have that goes over how to break things down and organize things. If you watch this video right here, it will help you with that process.